Fresh tomatoes in the snow that don't spoil for years. Just put it in a jar. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Tomatoes are a familiar dish in every family, but did you know that there is a way to preserve fresh tomatoes for many years without a refrigerator? Today, I will guide you through the recipe, Tomatoes in the Snow, a simple but extremely effective way to keep tomatoes' color, sweetness, and crunch for a long time. Follow along step by step as I reveal how boiling water, sugar, vinegar, and garlic transform ordinary tomatoes into snow tomatoes that will last for a year or more. You'll want to try them. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. I washed 1.5 kilograms of tomatoes. Choose tomatoes that are not bruised. I have prepared 2 clean glass jars. First, I will put the tomatoes in the jar. Lower gently so as not to bruise the tomatoes. Please write me in the comments what country you are watching me from. It's great to know that we are watching together all over the world. I have finished chopping the tomatoes and now I need boiling water. I will pour boiling water over the tomatoes. I'll cover it and leave it like that for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pour the water from the jar into a pot. I put 50 grams of sugar in this amount of water and 50 milliliters of 9% vinegar, 2 teaspoons salt. This is for a 2.5-liter jar. You can adjust the ratio to your needs. I put the pot on the stove. I will stir and wait for the mixture to boil. While waiting for the water to boil, I will chop a clove of garlic. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I finished chopping the garlic, the water was boiling, and I took the pot off the stove. First, I put some minced garlic in the jar. Then I will pour in the boiled soaking water. I will wipe the mouth of the jar clean so the lid fits properly and cover it with a new clean lid. The jar is hot, be careful. Now I'm going to shake the jar to disperse the garlic evenly. Tomatoes made this way are called snow tomatoes. Let jars cool. Store in a cool, dark place. The jar will keep for a year or more. If you like this recipe, please leave me a heart in the comments and hit the like button. Thanks. Method 2. Salt in a jar. Prepare 2 kilograms of tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in a basin of water and wash them. Take them out. Use a paper towel to dry each tomato. Note: the drier the tomatoes, the less likely they are to spoil during storage. Prepare a clean, dry glass jar. Arrange a layer of tomatoes. Then sprinkle a thin layer of salt evenly over the surface. Continue to alternately arrange the tomatoes and salt until the jar is full. Tip: do not stack too tightly. Let the tomatoes breathe and the salt can be absorbed evenly. Cover the jar tightly. Store in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. When you want to eat, rinse the salt and cook it directly. You can add a few slices of garlic or bay leaves to enhance the flavor. Method 3. First, wash the tomatoes. Wash the tomatoes directly under the tap. Clean the core of the tomatoes and cut them into slices. Write to me in the comments which country you are watching me from. It's great to know that we are watching together around the world. Slice the tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in a large bowl. Cut an onion. Put it on a plate. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Put it in a small bowl. Chop the parsley. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put it on a plate. Need to add bay leaves and peppercorns, so I have enough ingredients. I use clean, dry glass jars for the next step. Put a bay leaf in each jar. Add a few peppercorns. Put the garlic in. Put the onions in. add the parsley. Add the tomatoes. Now I add the onions, parsley. Add the tomatoes again. Add the onions. And finally, I add the pepper. I add half a teaspoon of salt to each jar. Add a tablespoon of 5% vinegar to each jar. Botulism bacteria does not grow in an acidic environment. Fill the jars with water. Wipe the mouths of the jars clean. Cover the jars with clean lids. Need a deeper pot? Put a towel at the bottom of the pot and arrange the jars inside. Fill the pot with water up to the mouth of the jar. Put the pot on the stove. Cover it, and from the time the water boils, I will sterilize for 35 minutes. We do the sterilization at 80 degrees Celsius. After 35 minutes, I remove the pot from the stove. When the jars have cooled, the middle of the lid should be concave. Store the jars in a dark place until use. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please click like. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. I would be very happy if you turn on the notification bell. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.